Okay, we got a mountain of crap here to work on, but we're going to work on this piece. So when you bought the Taiwan Teddy stuff, for some reason he's got the low performance version. It's got a little bit tilt in the pinion shaft. Maybe might have a little oil pressure. It had low drag, all kinds of low stuff. Low weight, low cost, wasn't it?
Right.
It probably wasn't low cost. It wasn't low cost.
No.
Anyway, it's not the right one.
Everything but.
The cam was tight. This one's a little on the loose side. So we gotta get rid of this. So pull your drawer out down there. Not your drawer, it's a drawer. Okay, find something that says something big twin pinion shaft.
Pre-69 cam bushing. Where's the pre?
What's that say?
Puller. Tube.
Pinion.
Pinion years.
36 to 54. Does that look like something you have? 36 to 54?
Well, 61. Oh yeah. Yes.
Okay, pull the whole thing out. We need more. We need all that shit. There you go. See, it says big twin, 36 to 54, pinion, used cam, puller tube. So, is that the cam puller tube, or is this the cam puller tool? Okay, this is the one that comes with it. I'm pretty sure that's not going to work.
You may struggle with that.
See, this tool did not work very long as a stock part. We had to modify it to use for real Harleys. And see, this doesn't work on this bike either because this has even a bigger diameter bushing on it. So that doesn't work either. So we got to find a tube for something else. Cam puller tube. Have to find a bigger tube. All right, I'll be back. So we're working on multiple projects here. This is a bigger tube to fix. Did you figure out what it is yet? Did you figure out what that is yet?
What is?
That.
It is a stand.
It's a stand. It's a truing stand. Okay, bring that over here before you loosen that up because you got to pick it up and put it over here on top of this robust table here.
This is stable.
See if that on top of the printer.
I said print.
Okay, so that comes off. Okay, that there has to go on top of that. You got to screw the nuts way in there to tighten it up. But you got to do it more on this side here because we have to be able to put these finger things on top of where we need to be. So that means this nut's got to go way the hell over to here, and this one probably just over to here. And if you unscrew these here, this will lift up, see? See how it doesn't lift up? You didn't unscrew all of these all the way. See how it comes? Up and easy?
Mm-hmm.
So put that in there. But remember, you got to get it where you can get this close. Take this one out of here and put it down here. Put this one back where that one goes. Understand?
Mm-hmm. Switch them around.
Right, because we're going to need this tall one to work with the 21. I think we have this tall one. I don't remember. I think I had to use this one. We might have to change it though. So anyway, just tighten the nuts way up, all the way down in there. And then we'll be busy over here working on something important again. Okay, what do we do? We got lost. Interrupted. Well, I think somebody's got to come over. They called me on the phone about something. Okay, this tube here appears to be the right diameter. What size? What's this off of? This is the pre-69 cam bushing puller. Oh, that's the one that goes over here. I see how that fits that big hole there, but it doesn't fit that hole there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now what's that one do?
So we're going to swap these out. Drop this in.
Oh, look at that one fits that one.
And swap this out.
We're going to swap these out. We're going to have to get a washer or something because, well, we got a washer. Maybe we get another washer. Oh, somebody woke up Scooby.
He didn't even wake up when I came in.
Oh, there's already a washer on there for this application.
Exactly.
Look at that.
It may have happened before.
That's probably why I wrote a note on there. I need that big chunk over there. See, if I wasn't so lazy, I would just make a whole nother tool. That doesn't really do much for me there, but
This one helps.
I don't see how that really helps them. What the hell's the difference? that one over there. We'll use this one. And another washer.
Another one?
We need a washer that fits that one. Let's go find a washer. Ooh, look at you figured that out. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can look in there, but we'll get a new washer because you look like you're expensive.
Okay.
How about that one?
Too small.
Too big.
Too small.
Which one do we use? This one didn't work?
Mm-hmm.
That was on the big side. Damn, those suck. Where'd you get those from? Okay, we'll go over to the SAE department. This selection sucks. Where'd you get all these washers from? That's a crappy selection of washers, though. Scooby thought so, too. I think my large washer selection got put away. That looks like it might work. That's a big one, though, isn't it?
It is.
What about this one? Yeah, this is too small. Okay, go with that one. Can't be picky. Ooh, look at that. You did a good job. Except you're way too close. How are you going to put a pointer in there?
Too close.
Yeah, so you got to move it over about an inch. Could be able to work. It's a tough job there.
It's not easy.
I
That's
know,
honest work.
It's pretty complicated. Look at that thing. What are you doing, Scooby?
Up there.
Did you tighten your nuts up? Yeah, those two.
These need to be tight.
Yes. Okay, rotate. How true is it? I don't know. It looks pretty close. What do you think?
Looks good.
That's within 30 thou,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Right. There's no front braking either.
So how many miles are on this?
Probably like 20.
20.
Made it about 20
Well,
miles.
looks like it's about an inch out of true there. Between 1 and 2 inches, so it's an inch out. Yeah, it's pretty close. It's a good job. So what hit you?
1984 FXR.
Oh, a stupid FXR. You gotta watch out for them guys.
Yeah, they come out of nowhere.
Yeah. Okay, so I think we're gonna use this one right here. There you go. Oh, it appears we locked up already. Okay, I hear a high spot. It's pretty close. Oh, the brakes came on. I heard it. Scooby thinks there's food in here. There's a tool in here. Yeah. Are these Harley spokes or the Japanese crap? Oh, look at it. It takes Harley tools. Okay, the air's out of the tire now. Feels a little. Got air in it still. Did you let all the air out?
I let as much out as
Okay, we already got a problem here. You didn't tighten this up very well. Don't you tighten these nuts up? Finger tight is not making it. What are you doing, Scooby? So you always have all your tools that you need for the job. We even got a straight edge too. See, this one's not big enough to do a 21, I don't think. I don't know what happened to my big one. It's missing. Okay, take these and tighten your two nuts up there. We need a longer one of these. Somewhere hiding. Somewhere in back we have that. You tighten them or you gonna loosen them? Tighten them up. Let's use your fingers.
Well, he gave me a crescent wrench, so
Okay, now you can
I
tighten
thought
it
I was
up.
supposed to use that.
Well, is it tight yet?
Not quite.
Jeez, what kind of a wheel is this? Jeez, these are some loose nuts. All right, there's nuts are tight. Okay. The wheel turn now, or is it locked up? Okay, I think it's locking up pretty heavily. Okay, you need to undo that a little bit over there. Oh, look at that. You see how far it moved over when he did that? Okay, you adjust it where it just touches it. It's hitting the tire now. It's hitting the rubber. Looks like you need a different pointer. Maybe like one of these. They look custom made. I'm not sure how we're going to do this, but we're going to come off of here, I think. Okay. So, we're going to have to move this whole thing over until we can actually use this pointer right on this edge.
Alright.
And this one here we're not going to use because it doesn't work.
So I gotta loosen the nuts.
So you got to loosen up your nuts. You got to move that thing way over to here. And then get it so we can spin it again. We'll be back. Meantime, we got to work on something important again.